Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to make Microsoft Edge your default browser on your Mac, so every link you open automatically launches in Edge. Let's jump right in. Start by clicking on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen, then choose System Settings. Once you're in, scroll down on the left side and click on Desktop and Dock. Now look over to the right, scroll down a bit, and find the option called Default Web Browser. Click the drop-down next to it, and select Microsoft Edge. And that's it. Edge is now set as your default browser. From now on, whenever you click a link from emails, apps, or files, it'll open directly in Microsoft Edge without asking. Quick tip: if you don't see Edge in the list, just make sure it's installed and opened at least once on your Mac. Super simple and only takes a few seconds. If this helped you out, feel free to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy Mac tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.